Globally, there are over 4 million cases of sudden cardiac arrest each year. Immediate CPR and use of AED within minutes can save lives. The problem is these patients do not have the access to the AED. Although public AEDs were widely installed in many countries, the usage rate of AEDs is still very low. Therefore, we have invented an alarm to improve the usage rate of AEDs. When you call 911, the dispatcher will simultaneously activate the nearby alarms on AEDs. We can navigate volunteers to bring the AED to where the cardiac arrest is happening. Adding the use of AED can boost their chances of survival. Our internal goal is to send patients going back to their families safely. Soon. We are a social enterprise to create love and cooperative society.